Colorfit Pro 5 and Pro 5 Max. Noise is finally back with their new gen Colorfit Pro series smartwatches. Almost after an year, we're getting a new gen upgrade, right? So I'm like pretty excited to show you what is exactly new on these smartwatches in this video. And apart from that, we'll be doing like an in-depth side-by-side comparison as well between the regular edition and the Pro 5 Max edition. And you people will get like full-on information, what sort of new features you can see. And also this will be like a full review as well with including pros and cons. So before we get started with the video, as usual, I will be giving away one of these smartwatches to a lucky subscriber on the channel, guys. So all you need to do is make sure to smash that like button, and once this video crosses 2500 likes, I will pick a random winner from the comment section of this video and give them this Noise Colorfit Pro 5 series smartwatch. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe and hit that notifications bell icon on so you can get these all channel updates as soon as I post them. So before we get started, first of all, let me tell you what exactly is new on the newer Pro 5 series smartwatches. First of all, the brand has finally added support for emojis in text messages, and along with that, you're also getting a new SOS emergency calling. Apart from that, you do have Bluetooth calling support, and digital functional crown is also there. And especially on the Max edition of the smartwatch, right, you're getting something known as one touch rapid health measurement. And yes, you're also getting some intense training and workout related features on the Max edition. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So guys, our brand new Colorfit Pro 5 series smartwatches from Noise are in the house. We have both the editions, the regular Pro 5 and the Pro 5 Max is also there. And today in this video, I'll give you a detailed side-by-side comparison talking about the differences and what you can expect for the price that you're paying. Very similar box packaging on both the variants. You have a picture of the product on the front, mention some of its highlights. And as I've told you, main difference between the regular and Max edition is Max edition comes with a slightly larger display, and you're also getting some extra health and workout related activities. Quickly unboxing it. At the top we have some paperwork, make sure to read that. And there you go. First of all, we've unboxed the Pro 5 regular edition, right? This is how it looks like. This smartwatch is available in like multiple colors and strap variants. Today in the house we have the black color edition with silicone strap, and here's how it looks like. Along with that, you're also getting a new charging cable dock included in the package, and that's it. So that was about the packaging contents of the regular Pro 5 series. Similar contents you're getting in the Max edition also. As soon as you open it, there you go, our brand new Pro 5 Max smartwatch in the hand, and along with that, you're also getting the same charging dock included and also some paperwork. So that is pretty much it, our quick unboxing part. Now let me give you a closer look and show you how the smartwatches look side by side. So on the left we have the Max edition, and on the right is the regular Pro 5 edition. They actually look like very identical, right? 90% they are looking very identical, even in terms of dimensions also. But if you actually have a closer look, Max edition features slightly larger body because you're obviously getting a bigger display, right? On the regular Pro 5 you're getting a 1.85 inch 60Hz AMOLED display. On the Max edition you're getting a 1.96 inch high resolution AMOLED display. You can even see the text that says Max edition on the left side of the body over here. Very beautiful looking design, guys. I mean, definitely looks quite premium. Both the bodies are having a premium touch with an aluminum alloy casing, and definitely looks stylish for the price that you're paying. I actually like this black color also, and the silver accents on the Max edition is also pretty good. So talking about the controls, on the right side you're getting a digital crown function on both the editions, same layout on both the variants, and below that you have a custom button which is also customizable using the app. And not to miss out, the watch also supports Bluetooth calling, right? Obviously you're getting on board microphone and speaker. Mic is on the right side and speaker cutout is on the left over here. And here's how the back side of the smartwatch looks like. You've got your health related sensors that measure HR, SpO2 and stuff like that with Noise branding. And not to miss out, both the smartwatches are IP68 water and dust resistant. Coming to the straps, quality of the straps is nice. This one looks kind of basic though, because this is a silicone edition, right? Apart from that, you're also getting an elite metal strap edition also, which unfortunately I do not have right now. But even the silicone strap is kind of nice. This one gives you more sporty sort of vibe, and that gives you, rich premium sort of feel. Again, it's up to you, your personal taste and preference, which one you want to go for. What I'll do is I'll quickly set up both these smartwatches, use them for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. Alright guys, I'm back to continue the video. Our smartwatch is all set up and good to go. First of all, let me give you a closer look and talk about the display on both these variants. As I've told you, regular Colorfit Pro 5 features a 1.85-inch 60Hz AMOLED display with a resolution of 390 by 450, whereas on the Max edition, you're getting a slightly larger 1.96 inches high resolution AMOLED display. So Max edition along with the size also has slightly higher resolution guys. But nevertheless, both the displays are absolutely gorgeous. And let me tell you, watch faces or any sort of content that you're watching on these displays is like really good guys. Excellent amount of detail. Just look at the watch face. Text looks crisp and clear and everything is like easily readable. Colors are also very nice. AMOLED panel, there is nothing less you can expect over here. Rich and vivid looking colors, and viewing angles are also excellent. Near to infinite contrast ratios and deep black levels, and brightness of the displays is also very good guys. I think it's easily around 500 nits because I had no issues checking out both the displays even in like bright outdoor situations under sunlight. Anyways, here's how the home screen looks like, and let me tell you, the software, UI, operating system, everything is pretty much the same, just like any other noise smartwatch. On the home screen, by long touching it, you can easily change the watch faces. It supports almost like 100 plus cloud based watch faces which you can easily download from your compatible NoiseFit app. On board you're getting like 4 to 5 pre-installed. As I've told you, the whole navigation, UI, everything is same. Swiping down brings the notifications area from where you can access all your messages or missed call notifications. Swiping up brings your quick access shortcuts and a couple of other toggles. Left and right swiping will give you access to your widgets, which the position is also adjustable from the NoiseFit compatible app. Now say suppose you want to access the complete list of apps, you can do that by pressing this digital crown on the right side over here. And not to forget, it's a fully functional digital crown. By rotating it, you can actually scroll through the watch faces on the home screen or maybe navigate through the menu and settings and things like that. Very useful, especially if you're using the smartwatch underwater where touchscreen doesn't work. And not to miss out, the watch is also IP68 rated, dust and water resistant, right? So nice feature, I would say. And one more really nice addition they've added this time compared to the previous gen is a custom short key button, which is like fully customizable. You can assign two functions to it, a short press command and a long press command. I have assigned like noise buzz Bluetooth calling for a short tap, and for a long press I've assigned like activities and workout session. I'll leave these choices up to you. You can easily do that from the NoiseFit compatible app. And one more thing I forgot to mention, since this is an AMOLED display, yes, you're getting always on display support as well, and this is also customizable from the settings. Analog digital options are there, and raise to wake function is also built in, and yes, that was also working very well. Apart from that, you do have palm gesture. That means you can turn off the display by placing your palm on it, and double tapping it will bring up the display. If you talk about the built-in apps, plenty of apps and features are there. Complete noise health suite package is available, which includes 24/7 HR, stress level measurement, SpO2, blood oxygen is also there, sleep data analysis, monitoring and tracking. And on the Pro Max edition, you're getting a couple of workout related activities as well. Like both of them supports 100 plus sport activity tracking, but the Max edition specifically supports VO2 analysis as well during a workout session. And not only that, it even gives you in-depth training related data, and also give you like post workout recovery period data as well. So a couple of things, if you're like a fitness freak or maybe you go to gym a lot, you can go for the Max edition. If you don't use those features, then the regular edition will easily get your job done. Remaining apps are all same guys. You're getting alarms, timers, stopwatch is there, calculator is also built in, remote music player is available, weather data analysis, and that is pretty much it. Again, this time we are not getting to see any built-in games. I don't know why Noise has recently removed that complete feature only from their recent smartwatches. And also guys, for the price that you're paying, I really felt that Noise could have added compass and barometer function on this smartwatch, because we are paying almost like 5,000 rupees, right? So for the price tag, I felt at least the Max edition could have had a compass and barometer. Now let me tell you about the health related features. As I've told you, both the edition smartwatches support 24/7 HR, sleep data analysis, blood oxygen, SpO2, and also stress level measurement as well. And the Max edition specifically supports something known as one tap rapid health monitoring. That means once you toggle this, right, within 60 seconds, it will measure all your HR, stress, blood oxygen, SpO2 at the same time and give you all the results simultaneously. Super useful and handy I felt, and sensors on board were doing a good job. I was getting accurate results almost like 90% of the time. Now let me share you my experience about Bluetooth calling. Both the watches support Bluetooth calling, and SOS emergency calling support is also there. You can save up to 10 favorite shortcuts for a one tap calling to them, and apart from that, dialer pad is also built in. You can simply dial in a number and talk to that person directly from the smartwatch. You don't even need to take out your smartphone guys, but again for this you'll need the watch to be connected to your phone via Bluetooth and enable all the permissions in the compatible app. And let me tell you, Bluetooth calling experience was actually pretty good. Microphone on board was nice. Other person could clearly hear and understand what I was saying, no hassles at all. And built-in speaker quality was also nice compared to the previous model which I actually reviewed last time, right? Speaker output is actually improved, I would say. I could easily hear and understand what the other person was speaking. I was mostly using it in like indoor situations, guys, and had a great Bluetooth calling experience. Again, though, if you're using this feature in outdoors, depends on the ambience and surroundings. If there is lot of disturbance, maybe you're in traffic, right, there you might need to place the watch very close to your ear to hear what the other person is speaking.
మీరు డయల్ చేసిన నంబర్ని సరిచూసుకోండి. The dialed number does not exist. Please check the number you have dialed. आपके द्वारा डायल किया गया नंबर उपयोग में नहीं है. कृपया डायल किए गए नंबर की जांच कर लें.
And not to forget, remember I've told you it has SOS emergency calling as well. 5 times click the shortkey button on the bottom right corner and that's it. It will automatically trigger an emergency call to your contact that whichever you've assigned in the NoiseFit compatible app. For example, I've put my emergency contact as my dad and the watch will immediately call my dad as soon as I activate this SOS emergency calling feature on this smartwatch. Hey, we're almost coming to an end, right? So let me tell you about the battery life. Again, guys, these are Bluetooth calling smartwatches and battery life is kind of mediocre, I would say. On a day-to-day sort of usage with the brightness level set to 4, AOD also turned on, and you're using health-related features once in a while and also Bluetooth calling very rarely, you can expect around like 5 to 6 days of battery life. But if you're like a heavy user, you use that Bluetooth calling feature a lot, brightness also set to maximum level, AOD also always turned on, then hardly it will give you around like 1.5 to 2 days of battery life. Again, if you compare both the regular and max edition, right, I felt the regular edition was slightly offering 20% higher battery life because the max edition features 1.96-inch display, right? So that makes a difference. Anyways, that was our complete analysis and review on Colorfit Pro 5 series, including the regular and max edition. What do you people think about these smartwatches? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Really good smartwatches, guys. Premium look and feel, rich aluminum alloy body as well, and you're getting all the features that you might be looking for on a smartwatch. Only few things if I had to nitpick is, as I've told you, you do not get any sort of built-in games on both the models. Compass, barometer features are missing. At least on the max edition, they should have included that. And emoji support is there, but the watch doesn't support all the emojis available on your phone, guys. I think 30-40% emojis are being shown, remaining you're getting a question mark. This maybe they'll address with a firmware update. We'll have to wait and see. Pricing, if you talk about that, regular edition pricing is around like 3,999 and the max edition costs around like 4,999. Links for that will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.